How to make T-shirt with Cricut print and cut easy steps. Step 1. Open your Design Space app and enter a text. Step 2. Click on the drop-down in the curve option, then select the diameter. Step 3. Change the size of the design according to your needs. Step 4. Go to the operation in the top menu bar and select a color for your design. Step 5. Click on Make It button. Step 6. You can select without a mat if you're using a smart material, otherwise choose with a mat, then click on the Continue button. Step 7. Turn on the mirror option. Step 8. Click on the Continue button. Step 9. Select your machine if you're connected with multiple devices. Step 10. Set your base material to Smart Iron-On. Step 11. Load your material into your Cricut machine, then press the Load button. Step 12. Press the Go button. Step 13. With a weeding tool, gently remove the vinyl design from your backing sheet. Step 14. Place your T-shirt over the Cricut EasyPress mat, then over the T-shirt place the vinyl design. Step 15. Visit the Cricut Heat Guide website page, then select the heat press and heat transfer material. Step 16. Select the base material, then choose Cricut EasyPress mat and click on the Apply button. Step 17. Follow the heat guide commanded to you. Step 18. Lightly press the design with the heat press. Step 19. Heat press the back side of the T-shirt. Step 20. Peel off the sheet. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.